Hi, this is Ben Baxter with Accent Software. Wanted to give you a quick tip on Dynamics Business Central. This one is going to be about sending a document to an email address. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick search for print management. So what I've done is I've set up an email printer. So you use this email print option, and then you can add an email printer. I've gone ahead and set one up for myself. And so if we take a look at it, it has my email right there. And now this could be an actual email, or this could be a printer that is set up with an email so that when you send a document to that printer's email address, it prints it. I have this one set with an email subject and an email body. Those are optional. The subject is required, but the body is optional. That's it. I've set up my printer with just an email. And now I want to show you how to use it. Now I do not have it set as my default printer, so I do select it, but I'll show you afterwards how you can make it default. So in this case, I want to send this sales order confirmation to somebody, so I simply use the print order confirmation. And where it says printer up top, I can go and select now my Ben Baxter printer. And by doing that, when I hit print, it no longer sends a PDF to my computer. What it will actually do, you'll see a little red dot appear that tells me that an email has been received, and I can click on it, and it is the order confirmation directly from Business Central. So again, fairly easy, fairly straightforward. I will go ahead and point this out that if you go back to the print management, then you can set this as your default printer. So if I come here to manage, then I can use set as my default printer, or I can set it as the default printer for all users. So in the case of a printer that has an email that's sitting in an office somewhere, then I can set the default printer with that email so that everything gets emailed to that printer and then kicks out on the printer. So those are your options here to use that as the default. I did not have these set. If I did, we'll go ahead and set it for myself. Then when I run that sales order confirmation, you'll see that it actually sends it to my email printer right away rather than me selecting it from an option. So that's the only difference. You can choose what makes sense for you, but I wanted to show you that capability within Business Central. If you have any questions, by all means, reach out to us at Accent Software. We do specialize in manufacturing, so if that's the industry you're in, we'll probably be a good fit for you. If you're not, that's okay. You can still reach out to us. We'll be happy to connect you with another partner if we know one in your specific industry. Our email and phone number is up on screen. Hope to hear from you.